In this video, we show you how to connect a set of headphones or an audio cable to the Sony Xperia S. Should you wish to listen to music or any other sounds played from the Sony Xperia S through a set of headphones or different audio equipment, you need to connect them to the device. Take your device and on the top you'll find a 3.5mm headphone or audio jack. You need to connect cables only with a 3.5mm connection. You should get a set of headphones in the box. You can also use your own headphones or audio cable. We have a set of headphones here, and on one end they have a 3.5mm connection. To take the sound from the Xperia S to the headphones, pop the connector in and give it a firm press down like so. You should see none of the connector itself and the connection should be secure. If it is loose or some of the connector is showing, either it is the wrong size connection or it has not been connected securely. To remove, keep the device in line and pull out firmly. Line up and push in firmly to take the sound out. Any sounds now played on the device will feed through to the headphones. This cable that we are connecting could be to speakers or other audio equipment. Just ensure that the connection is 3.5mm and you'll be able to take the sound out from the Sony Xperia S.